Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okorsinski with your week 5 screencast video. So it's a big week in our 8-week course. The annotated bibliography is due on Tuesday. Hopefully, everybody's been working on this document over the last couple of weeks so that timely submission enables everybody to keep moving forward in the course. So I'll get to the annotated bibliography in a minute. Also, I want to speak to discussion board number 8, which is the double entry journal post, and I'd like to start there. Responses for discussion board 8 are due on Sunday, so please be aware of the schedule. Take a look at the 8-week schedule here. Just to get an understanding of all the different assignments that will be happening over the next 4 weeks until the course concludes on the 12th of October. We're moving into a bunch of exercises from the textbook that are all designed to take your information and your research topic to the successful research paper phase over the next several weeks. So be aware of the due dates in the schedule. So let's take a look at the discussion board real quick. As I scroll into the instructions, if you were to read the Curious Researcher and get an understanding of the double entry journal, I say here, I'm only asking you to work with 2 sources from your annotated bibliography. These are existing sources. If you've written the annotation, you should do well with this activity. There is a template here. I think Ballinger does a really good job of explaining what the double entry does. Hopefully this link will open for me. There you go. Here's a template you can use. You can just turn around and just eliminate some of the text here and use the table format that's designed here to look at. It also serves as an example. So let me close that out. So that's the double entry later in the week. Now getting over to the weekly module, okay, with the week 5, once again, be really redundant if I run through this particular assignment. Again, I urge everybody to please read this closely. Take a look at the 2 sample annotated bibliographies. As I always say, they are examples. There is no perfect student example I can use, but you should have a clear understanding of the assignment here. All right. Also, the instructional video and the what is an annotation is an important section in video to look at also. If you are having any issues with the timing of the annotated bibliographies, please, I urge you all to send me an email. I'll be working through those and grading them during the week. I will be inspecting the annotated bibliographies. If there's something that catches my attention as far as being not yet ready for grading or my particular issue, I will try to take action on that submission as quickly as possible given the short time frame we have left in the course. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.